Now that we have added a colour ramp to our map, we are able to see which SOAs have higher birth rates or lower birth rates than one another. But we can filter this down even more to be even more specific. To do this, we hover over the BRSF output data and click onto the filter button. From here, we can select to filter our births, female births or male births. In this case, we choose births. And there's various of options we can choose from, whether it being less than, with it being at most, and in this case we're going to choose greater than. We then enter which value we would like it to be, and in this case we will choose 60. Therefore, when we apply the filter, it will only show births, the SOAs with births greater than 60 on the map. As you can see, the map has again changed, showing only SOAs on it with birth rates that are higher than 60. At a glance, it is impossible to tell how many there are and what they are called. To do this, we click on the Show Table button, and from here we are able to clearly see the names of the SOAs and the births they have in them, as well as the male and female birth rate breakdown. And in total we can see there are 20 features, meaning there are 20 SOAs. To make this table look a little clearer, we can filter it by clicking the Options button, showing or hiding columns, and removing the SOA codes and the SOA codes 1. This now shows us only the name of the SOAs, the births, and the breakdown of male and female. We can also change the order these are in by clicking Sort Ascending, and in this case it will display the names alphabetically, or we can also click Sort Ascending on the births, showing it starting from the least number and growing to the highest number in each SOA. To close the table, simply click the X button and we can save our work. If we would like to change this filter to more than or less than 60, or change it to a different input whatsoever, such as females or males, we can edit this. To show us male births that have 30 births, and apply the filter. And again, if we show table, we now find that there is 3 SOAs in Northern Ireland that have a male births of 30 only. To remove the filter, simply click onto the filter button as usual and remove it. And all the SOAs with your colour ramp will be displayed once again as before.